Our time frame here in Zadar is not long enough to allow us to visit the city and to enjoy some beach life. From the information we have gathered on board the ship, here in Zadar, as well as throughout the rest of the cruise, so far, the sea should be very beautiful. In any case, the port where the ship will dock is quite far from both the city center and the beaches. Therefore, we'll need to take a bus from the port to the farthest point of the peninsula.
Mamma mia. La verde adriatic. C'era anche a Spalato.
And it is right here at the point where the bus unloads us that the greeting to the sun is located. 300 multi-layered glass solar panels that absorb solar energy during the day and use it at night to create a suggestive show of colored lights. Unfortunately, our departure, scheduled before dusk, will not allow us to enjoy the spectacle. This is also where the sea organ is located, a unique installation that harnesses the energy of ocean waves. It consists of 35 organ pipes of varying lengths and angles positioned under the pier. The waves push air through these pipes, creating melodies and sounds that change with the motion of the waves. The sound you hear now is the result of that. From here we walk along the seafront towards the beaches a little further south. Objectively, the sea is very beautiful. What we feel compelled to point out, however, is the way it is managed. Unfortunately, the Tourist Reception Organization has a number of shortcomings that, in our opinion, could make a difference. Various types of waste are often abandoned near the beach, sometimes accompanied by unpleasant odors. So much so that, after exploring the stretch of coast between Calavare Beach and Karma Beach, we decide to give up the beach and head back. We take advantage of our remaining free time to wander through the narrow streets of the center.
È un ristorante, un anno.
Anche il terrazzo.
Tutti i maniaci della pista.
Ah, se pensi a Bologna che fatica perché ha fatto la batteria.
Sì.
At a certain point, a row of umbrellas overlooking the sea becomes an offer we couldn't refuse.
Buon appetito.
Grazie.
Birra, buono.
Buono, 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 grazie.
A pizza, a bruschetta, 2 beers, and 2 maraschinis. Very good locally made liqueur. 33 euros. It's time to head back. Our limousine is waiting to take us back to the ship. Our Adriatic cruise ends here. Tomorrow we'll be back in Venice, where we departed 7 days ago. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us, and above all, that it was useful. See you soon from travelers to travelers.